Hi, my name is Alex and I work in Human Resources. Today I'll show you how to sign your e-contract for the 2019-20 school year. This process is similar to what was done last year. First, you'll want to go to the district homepage, then click the staff link along the top. Along the right-hand side, you'll want to click the link to Employee Online. Once you're on this page, sign in with your employee number and password. Your employee number will be E00 and your 4 unique digits, and your password will be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Your employee number is the same as last year, and this will be emailed to you by the system in case you don't have it. Once you're in Employee Online, click the Future Jobs button along the left-hand side. On this page, your contract information will display. Review all of the information on this page to ensure your lane, step, and FTE are correct. If any changes need to be made, stop and contact Human Resources. Near the bottom of the page, we total your salary information by category. And along the right-hand side, you may view PDFs of your actual contract language. Once you're ready to accept, click the Accept Contracts button along the bottom. On this page, tick the checkboxes to signify your acceptance. Only the positions relevant to you will appear on this page. Then you'll type your name and click Accept. When you get to this page with the green check mark, you're done. You'll receive a confirmation email with your contract attached. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.